Want to know how to use SEO tools for local business optimization? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to optimize your local business using the right SEO tools that'll help you get noticed in local search results. First, let's dive straight into it. One of the key aspects of local SEO is claiming and optimizing your Google My Business listing. This free tool from Google is the cornerstone of local search optimization. Start by verifying your business, filling out all the details accurately, and uploading photos. This is the first step in making sure your business appears in local search results. Next, it's crucial to perform keyword research. Using tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, you can search for keywords related to your business and your location. Try focusing on long-tail keywords that include both your service and your location, like best plumber in city. These types of keywords help you target local customers who are actively searching for services like yours. Once you've selected your keywords, it's time to focus on on-page SEO. Tools like Moz or Yoast SEO can help you optimize your website's content. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number, NAP, are consistent across your website and online listings. This consistency is key to ranking higher in local search results. Don't forget about local backlinks. Getting backlinks from local businesses, news outlets, or local bloggers will give your site authority in the eyes of search engines. Use tools like Ahrefs or Majestic to analyze your competitors' backlink profiles and see where they're getting their links from. Target those same sources to boost your site's credibility. Another important step is optimizing for mobile. More and more people are searching for local businesses on their phones, so it's essential your website is mobile friendly. You can use Google's mobile friendly test tool to check if your site passes. If it doesn't, make sure you fix any issues to improve the mobile experience. Don't overlook the importance of reviews. Use tools like Bright Local to track and manage your online reviews. Respond to your reviews, especially negative ones, and encourage happy customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews are crucial for building trust with potential clients and for improving your local SEO. Another key area to focus on is local content creation. Start a blog or add local landing pages to your website. Create content that is valuable and relevant to your local community, like local event sponsorships or news. This not only helps with SEO, but also builds trust within your community. Lastly, consider using a local SEO tool like Whitespark to help track your local rankings. This will give you insight into how well you're performing for local search terms and identify any areas that need improvement. So, what's the key takeaway here? Local business optimization through SEO requires the right tools and strategies. Make sure you claim your Google My Business listing, focus on local keywords, get quality backlinks, optimize your site for mobile, manage your reviews, and create relevant local content. These steps will put you on the path to dominating local search. And don't forget, I've provided an exclusive free trial for one of the best local SEO tools in the description below. You can follow along with me using that tool to take your local SEO game to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to take advantage of that free trial.